Here are 4 fun, high-quality mechanical pencils. The first one that I bought is a Kuru Toga. It's the largest in diameter, 10.29 millimeter. It's 9.8 grams. It's definitely the lightest. Has sort of a cheap plastic feel, but it's only about $6.50 on eBay. The mechanism works wonderfully, and it changes the way I think about all pencils. This one, also made by Uni, it's nice looking, has an aluminum lower section. It's called a shift pipe. This rotates and then turns, and then that exposes this piece so we can advance the lead. And I will show close-ups of this very soon. About twice the weight and almost a millimeter smaller. Definitely one of my favorites. My complaint is there's a little bit of slack here that rattles when you write with this one. The Instyler Regulator feels like it's carved out of billet material. It's very nice looking, very rigid, feels like it's a surgical instrument. This one has a varying lead advance. I don't know if you can see that on camera. This is another very nice, very high quality pencil. But this one is a little heavier yet. 22.5 grams for this one. The last one is the Pentel Graphgear 1000, which is a little odd looking. This one is my only retractable guide pipe. After the first index, the guide pipe comes out, and then we index the lead normally. To retract it, we push the document clip, it all comes back in. 20 grams, 9.4 millimeter. Here is the Uni shift pipe, 0.5 millimeter. Once this is pushed and then rotated, we can index the lead like normal. Very nice, neural, nice quality. But this is my complaint. When this is held, this is the part that rattles. It's a little bothersome. This one is the Staedtler Regulator. I'll show you the advance. Here is a cam. So this is the minimum index length. I'll show you maximum. I haven't measured it, but that's probably 3 millimeters on the max, and maybe a 1/4 millimeter index for the minimum. Now the Pentel Graphgear 1000, very nice. So the first push of the button gets our guide pipe extended. Then we index the lead. From there, squeeze the document clip, and it's returned. You can see that drop in. And here is the Kuru Toga engine mechanism at work. You can see this moves about 0.5 millimeter vertically. And I counted 60 index positions. So every time the pencil is picked up from the paper, it moves 6 degrees. Thanks for watching.